In this video, we will look at using VE scripts within the IESVE. Python is a compact and powerful tool integrated into the VE. We can use this tool for automation, harvesting data, and creating our own bespoke Word, Excel, or PDF reports. In addition to making our own scripts, a few of our sample scripts can be found within our VE Python scripts Navigator. This will allow us to understand the scripting behind these auto reports and adapt them to suit our needs. We also have a number of free scripts available within our content store. Here we are downloading a model summary report and installing the .vep file into our VE under Manage Scripts. Once this has been installed, we can run the script by clicking here. The Word document this report generates has various renders of our model and a description of each room and floor area. VE Scripts is accessed from the Tools menu. This opens up a window with the VE Script Python editor. We can run Python scripts to access our model data, results files, and can interface with the web or third-party products. On the left-hand side, we can see a number of API example scripts. To give an example of how we create our own auto reports, we'll take a look at the overheating script. This script will test which rooms in our model will overheat. It will create an Excel workbook to report the number of occupied hours above 25 and 28 degrees Celsius. The Excel SX Writer module we have imported on line 24 allows us to write to Excel within the IESVE. Not only can we write values to our Excel document, we can also write full formulas and calculation columns. We'll run this script now. A prompt will pop up instructing us to create grouping schemes for the rooms we want to analyse for this overheating analysis. We do this in the room browser here. Here we are grouping which rooms we want to analyse and which are to be excluded. Once this is done, we can select the .aps results file that was created in Vista Pro after running our Apache simulation. Once we run the calculations from the script, the Excel document will be created where we can see the results of the overheating analysis. If we are a new user to Python, to help us get started with using Python in the VE, we can navigate to the Help section and click the VE Automation API. Here we will find all the VE specific modules for Python. The API examples can be copied and adapted to suit our own reporting or functional needs. To make our own scripts, we just have to click New and save the .py file to our computer. For this example, let's use the VESankey module from the online help guide to create our own data visualization of the energy flows in our project using Python. This is a simple example which will create a Sankey diagram of the annual electricity use in our project, showing how much is generated by on-site PV versus how much is grid supplied, and then how this total amount of electricity is used by each submeter. The width of the arrows is proportional to the amount of electricity, giving a clear visual representation of where most of the electricity comes from and where most is used. In this video, we looked at using VE scripts within the IESVE. For further hints and tips, please check out our other tech tip videos. Thanks for watching.